Have you ever wondered why it's so easy to binge watch Netflix for 6 hours but so hard to sit and work for just one? Why video games, YouTube's junk food, or even scrolling social media feels effortless, but reading, working, or exercising feels like climbing a mountain? Here's the truth, it's not your fault, it's your brain. And if you understand this one simple trick, something that takes just 5 minutes to implement, you can train your brain to actually enjoy hard work. And that, my friend, is how you get rich faster. Make this full screen, focus for just 10 minutes. It will change how you live and how fast you can actually grow your life. Most people live in a loop of highs and lows all day long. You wake up and grab your phone, dopamine hit. Then sugary breakfast, another dopamine hit. A little work, then a TikTok break, another dopamine hit. Lunch with YouTube, another dopamine hit. Make your work and then gaming or snacks or scrolling, and you continue throughout the day. This is what your brain looks like on a graph. Up, then down, then up, then down, then up, then up, then down again. It's like a roller coaster on stimulations. And the problem, once your brain experiences the highs of artificial stimulations like junk food, social media, and gaming, it becomes really hard to enjoy natural stimulations like work, reading, or even thinking. You are constantly chasing those hits, and real growth becomes painfully boring. This is where most people go wrong. They mix artificial and natural stimulation all day long. You do something good like working, then reward yourself with a YouTube video, then go back work, then Netflix, then gym, then fast food, then phone, then sleep. But your brain can't handle this contrast. The more you feed it artificial highs, the harder it becomes to stay focused on anything real. So what's the solution? It's called dopamine loading, and it flips everything. Dopamine loading means saving your most stimulating activities like YouTube, Netflix, scrolling until the end of the day. All your work hours from the moment you wake up until the evening are kept in a low dopamine zone. That means no phone in the morning, no music while showering, no scrolling while eating, no background entertainment during work. It sounds boring, but it makes your brain starve for stimulation. So when you start working, even work feels exciting. Your brain learns to find joy in deep tasks because there is nothing else to grab its attention. Here's how it works. Your brain loves contrast. If you start the day at 100 with music, social media, and junk food, then dropping to a task like reading or working feels like torture. But if you start the day with zero, even basic things like replying to emails or writing or problem solving feels stimulating. You train your brain to crave for the right things. Over time, the hard stuff becomes the fun stuff. Work becomes the reward. And once you reach that level, everything becomes easier. Here's how you can actually apply this. Start your day without the phone. Then take a cold shower, brush, eat some healthy stuff, all without digital stimulations. Keep your morning distracted, free, no YouTube, no podcast, no music while working. Delay dopamine, save Netflix, games, snacks, and scrolling after 7 pm. Eat simple, lunch should be clean and light. Avoid heavy junk meals that spike dopamine. Train your focus. The more you practice this, the more your brain rewires. It's not about quitting everything forever, it's about when you allow stimulation. Even if you still watch shows or scroll social media, just push it to the evening. That's way most important work hours stay clean. Every night you sleep, your dopamine resets, and every morning you have a choice. Start your day chasing cheap thrills or build a mind that finds power in patience and pleasures in purpose. If you manage dopamine, dopamine stops managing you. And that's how you get rich, not by grinding 24 into 7,